Dear investor, just like tomato soup is a derivative of tomato, options are a derivative of underlying assets. These assets could be natural resources like oil and gold. These assets could be agro-commodities like corn and honey. And the assets could be financial like stocks and bonds. An options contract is of two types: put options and call options. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying commodity on or before the expiry date. A put option gives you the right to sell the underlying commodity on or before the expiry date. Both call options and put options give you the right and not the obligation to execute the contract. Both these contracts also contain a number called the strike price. If the contract holder executes the trade, it will happen at the strike price. Investing in options is relatively safer as your possible loss is a predetermined number, the upfront premium. If the markets do not swing your way, simply exercise your right to not execute the contract. People also use options contract to hedge against losses. Suppose you buy stocks of company ABC. A put options contract will protect you if the stocks go down in value. When backed by research and patience, trading in options can be easy and rewarding. To know more, watch our videos or visit www.indiainfoline.com. Subscribe to our channel to know the markets better. Download the IIFL Markets app to start your trading journey.